Hey everyone, it's Your Name Company Name here. And if you're watching this, you're probably as passionate about SEO as I am. And that means you understand the power of a website that ranks high on search results. It means more visibility, more traffic, and ultimately more business. But getting to that coveted top spot on Google, well, it's a competitive game. One of the most powerful tools in your SEO arsenal? Backlinks. That's right, those little links from other websites pointing back to yours are more valuable than you might think. They act as votes of confidence from other corners of the internet, telling Google, hey, this website knows what it's talking about, check it out. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about backlinks, what they are, why they matter, and how to build high-quality ones that will give your SEO a serious boost. We'll also uncover some common backlink mistakes to avoid. Because trust me, you don't want to get on Google's bad side. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of backlinks. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a backlink? Simply put, a backlink is a link from another website that directs users to your site. Think of it like a referral from one website to another. When you click on a link on, say, the New York Times website, and it takes you to an interesting article on Forbes, that's Forbes earning a backlink from the New York Times. Now imagine backlinks as votes of confidence from other websites. Each backlink tells search engines like Google, hey, this content is valuable, relevant, and trustworthy. And the more of these votes you have from reputable sources, the more credible your website appears in the eyes of search engines. But here's the thing, not all backlinks are created equal. Just like in real life, not all endorsements hold the same weight. A shout out from a well-respected industry leader carries much more weight than one from someone just starting out, right? The same goes for backlinks. A high-quality backlink comes from a reputable, authoritative website in your niche. These backlinks are like gold for your SEO because they signal to Google that your content is top-notch and deserves a higher ranking. On the other hand, backlinks from low-quality or spammy sites can actually harm your SEO efforts. Think of it this way. Would you rather get a glowing recommendation from a trusted colleague or a suspicious character lurking in a dark alley? The answer is pretty clear, right? High-quality backlinks are key to boosting your website's authority and improving your search rankings. Okay, so we've covered what backlinks are, but why should you care? Why are they so crucial for your SEO strategy? Well, let me break it down for you. First and foremost, backlinks are a major ranking factor for search engines. Google's algorithms are incredibly complex, but one thing remains constant. They love backlinks, especially high-quality ones. Websites with a strong backlink profile, meaning they have a lot of backlinks from authoritative sites, tend to rank higher in search results. And as we all know, higher rankings equal more visibility, more clicks, and ultimately, more business. Secondly, backlinks enhance your website's authority. When a reputable website links to yours, it's essentially vouching for your content, telling Google, this website is a credible source of information. The more of these endorsements you have, the more authoritative your website becomes in Google's eyes, and the higher it will rank for relevant keywords. But the benefits don't stop there. Backlinks also help your website get indexed faster. Search engines use bots, also known as crawlers, to constantly scour the internet for new content to add to their index. Backlinks act like signposts, guiding these bots to your website and making it easier for them to discover and index your pages. This means your content gets in front of your target audience faster. And let's not forget about referral traffic. One of the most valuable benefits of backlinks, high-quality backlinks don't just boost your SEO, they also bring in direct traffic from users clicking on those links. So, not only are you improving your search rankings, but you're also driving a steady stream of targeted visitors to your website. It's a win-win. In a nutshell, backlinks are essential for building a strong online presence, improving your search rankings, and attracting more visitors to your website. They are a cornerstone of any successful SEO strategy. Chapter 3. By now, you're probably thinking, okay, I'm convinced, backlinks are awesome, but how do I actually get them? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are some proven strategies to build high-quality backlinks that will make Google take notice. First and foremost, create amazing content. I know you've heard it a million times, but it's true. Content is king. When you consistently publish informative, engaging, and shareable content, other websites are more likely to link back to you as a valuable resource. Think of it this way. You're more likely to recommend a restaurant with delicious food and exceptional service, right? The same goes for online content. Another effective strategy is guest blogging. Reach out to reputable blogs in your industry and offer to write high-quality, informative guest posts. Not only will this earn you valuable backlinks from their websites, but it will also increase your brand visibility and establish you as a thought leader in your niche. Broken link building is another fantastic tactic. This involves finding broken links on high-authority websites and contacting the webmaster to suggest replacing those broken links with a link to your relevant content. It's a win-win situation. You get a valuable backlink, and they get to fix a broken link on their site. Don't underestimate the power of directory listings and local SEO. Submitting your website to trusted industry directories, business listings, and local citations can earn you credible backlinks and improve your website's visibility in local search results. And speaking of visibility, engage in digital PR. Getting featured in industry news, participating in podcasts and interviews, or issuing press releases can naturally generate backlinks from authoritative sources. Plus, it positions your brand as a thought leader and builds credibility. Remember, building high-quality backlinks takes time and effort. There's no magic overnight solution, but by consistently implementing these strategies, you'll gradually build a strong backlink profile that will propel your website to the top of search rankings. Chapter 4. Just as important as knowing how to build high-quality backlinks is understanding what not to do. Because believe me, when it comes to backlinks, there are some serious pitfalls that can harm your SEO efforts. Let's take a look at some common mistakes to avoid. First and foremost, never ever buy backlinks. I know it might be tempting to take a shortcut, but trust me, it's not worth it. Google is incredibly smart and can easily detect unnatural link building schemes. Buying backlinks from low-quality or spammy websites will only hurt your website's reputation and can even lead to penalties. Speaking of spammy sites, avoid them like the plague. Backlinks from low-authority, irrelevant, or blacklisted websites can wreak havoc on your SEO. These backlinks are a huge red flag for Google, signaling that your website is associated with low-quality or even malicious content. Another mistake to avoid is over-optimizing your anchor text. Anchor text is the visible text of a hyperlink. While it's important to use relevant keywords in your anchor text, stuffing it with the same keyword repeatedly looks unnatural and spammy. Keep it natural, diverse, and relevant to the content you're linking to. And while we're on the topic of linking, don't neglect your internal linking strategy. While backlinks from other websites are crucial, internal links within your own website are equally important for SEO. Internal links help users navigate your website, distribute page authority, and improve the overall user experience. Finally, don't be afraid to disavow bad backlinks. If you discover spammy or low-quality backlinks pointing to your website, you can use Google Search Console to disavow them. This tells Google to ignore those links when assessing your website's ranking factors. Remember, building a strong backlink profile is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a commitment to ethical SEO practices. Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be well on your way to building a backlink profile that will make your competitors green with envy. Chapter 5. Here's the thing about SEO. It's not about finding that one magic trick or secret strategy. It's about understanding that all the pieces work together, like a well-oiled machine, to create a website that ranks well, attracts visitors, and converts those visitors into loyal customers. Backlinks are a crucial part of this machine, but they're not the whole picture. To maximize their effectiveness, you need to integrate them into a comprehensive SEO strategy that addresses all aspects of your online presence. Think of it like building a house. Backlinks are your foundation, providing stability and authority, but you also need strong walls, which is your on-page SEO, a sturdy roof, which is your technical SEO, and beautiful interior design, which is your high-quality content, to create a space where people want to spend time. On-page SEO involves optimizing your website's content and HTML source code for relevant keywords. This includes optimizing your title tags, meta descriptions, header tags, and image alt text to make it easy for search engines to understand what your website is about. Technical SEO focuses on improving the technical aspects of your website to enhance its crawlability and indexability. This includes optimizing your website's speed, mobile friendliness, site architecture, and security to ensure a smooth and user-friendly experience. And of course, none of this matters without high-quality, informative, and engaging content. Content is what attracts visitors to your website, keeps them engaged, and encourages them to share your pages with others, all of which contribute to building those valuable backlinks. By combining a solid on-page SEO strategy, a technically optimized website, high-quality content, and a strong backlink profile, you'll create a powerful online presence that will dominate search rankings and attract a steady stream of targeted traffic. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about backlinks and why they're essential for boosting your SEO strategy. Remember, building a strong backlink profile takes time, effort, and a commitment to ethical SEO practices, but the rewards are well worth it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more expert web design and SEO insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Need professional help improving your website's SEO? We'd love to help you grow your online presence. Contact Top New York Web Design today. You can find our contact details and website link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.